now let's do the back door. I was going to say the hell with it, but I want to see what these speakers are, because I know one day these will go bad. And Toyota lasts forever, but their speakers don't. So that's the part number for that. Same as the front. Push forward. It's an access door. Screw back there. And let's get this cover off. Watch, you might even need tools for this. Hey, see? Another screw right there. So let's get this door off with both hands and see what these guys are all about. What numbers they are. Let's see if there's I doubt there's a screw back down here. I already took this off. I didn't see a screw back here. We need a tool just like this. And go right between the crack, right? Right between the crack. Not the Coke, the crack. Let's see if there's a screw under here. Like the front. Come on. I had it up before. There you go. Oh, there's a screw. There you go. Revealing screw number 1, screw number 2, and screw number 3. Because we're all getting screwed. See that? So let's get it off. I'm really not liking the idea that these lights are all the way down there. They're like 8 feet from you, from the door panel. Look at this. Damn it, damn it, damn it, damn it. You gotta push that center in and slide it out. This one, same thing. Push the center in and slide it out. There you go. These guys just are snapped into place in the door handle. And this is the same way to get the door handle out in this one. Same as the front. Screw there and it slides out. But, where are you? Oh yeah, you're locking it here. And the 2 balls. Oh, we wanted this. That's what we wanted. And that's the part number for that puppy. And let's pull this speaker out and show you what this part number is. There she goes. So, we got the door panel, 3 screws for the speaker, and now we have all the speaker numbers, except for the back. I don't care for the back. I'm not taking the whole panel off for this puppy, for this guy. No way, Jose. So, put it all back in reverse order. I'm gonna throw this in the video anyway because I just ran into this. Don't mix these up. You're not gonna be able to open the door by hip flipping this. Okay, you're just not gonna do it. And you'll see the cable. There's no stress in the cable. If you switch to 2, you see how they're 2 different lengths? They're actually 2 different lengths. You see? See 2 different lengths? Okay, so are these. They're in 2 different positions. So I would assume the green goes on the bottom, because if you did it on the top, watch. Let me show you. If you did it on the top, you clearly see the cable is not. The door panel won't even go right. So don't do that. So I'm gonna put it in both of these videos. So now moving on. And I'm gonna say like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe. Why do we have this? Like, you have to put this in first, and then the bottom. It's cool. Subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.